Sam got his first paycheck of $120. Today we will use easy benchmark percents. We know the percent amount he spent, but we do not know the dollar amount yet. Let's learn how to find the amount from the percent. They are easy benchmark percents. Question A asks for 10%. 10% means divide the total by 10. I repeat, divide the total by 10. 120 divided by 10 equals 12. So Sam gave $12. Question B asks for 50%. Everybody knows that 50% means half of the total. In order to find divide the amount by 2. Half of 120 is 60. So Sam saved $60. Question C asks for 25%. 25% is half of 50%. 50% is $60. Half of 60 is 30. So Sam spent $30. Let's review. 10% is $12. 50% is $60. 25% is $30. I hope you enjoyed this lesson.